Hello, and welcome back to Intertax Learning. Imagine a phone company with related companies in 4 different countries. India designs the chip, Taiwan manufactures the chip, Vietnam assembles the phone, Germany sells the final product. Each step is done by a different company, but they're all part of the same multinational group. And because they're related, the prices they charge each other are called transfer prices. Let's walk through the supply chain flow chart. India designs the chip and sends the design to Taiwan. Taiwan manufactures the chip and sells it to Vietnam. Vietnam assembles the phone and sells it to Germany. Germany sells the phone to final customers in Europe. Every time one related company sells something to another, a transfer price must be set. And of course, the final retail price also needs to be set. This is where things get tricky because the transfer price you choose affects where the profits show up. Now imagine if Taiwan charges a high price to Vietnam. Taiwan shows more profit. Vietnam shows less profit. Tax authorities in Vietnam may ask why Vietnam is paying so much for the chip. If Taiwan charges a lower price, Taiwan shows less profit. Vietnam shows more profit. Tax authorities in Taiwan may ask, why is Taiwan selling the chip so cheaply? So there is no good or bad price. The only question is, can you defend your price? Tax authorities require that the price matches what 2 independent companies would have charged each other for the same thing. This is called the arm's length principle, which simply means treat your related company as if it were a stranger. To get to a reasonable price, we look at 5 things. First, functions performed, who designs, who manufactures, who assembles, who sells. More complex functions usually justify more profit. Second, asset used, machinery, equipment, intellectual property. Whoever uses valuable assets typically earns more. Third, risks assumed, inventory risk, market risk, warranty risk. If you take more risk, you expect more return. Fourth, comparable market prices. This is what similar chips sell for between unrelated parties. Fifth, expected profit levels. This is what similar manufacturers or distributors earn in the real world. These factors help us say this price is reasonable, and here's why. Inside a company, different teams handle transfer pricing at different stages. Cost accounting controls cost. Hence, the team often sets the product level price and adjusts the price up or down throughout the year. Tax team adjusts the cost of goods sold at year end to make sure profits land in the right place. Outside firms may help provide benchmarking margins or documentations for extra protection. Every company may do this a little bit differently. Regardless, it's a shared responsibility, not a one-person job. The closing takeaway is simple. Transfer pricing is the economic story of who does what, who uses what, and who takes what risk inside a multinational group. When you understand the supply chain, the pricing logic becomes clear. Our next topic will be about the base erosion and anti-abuse tax, aka BEAT. This is a very important topic in U.S. international tax. I hope you stay tuned for the next one. Thanks for watching Intertax Learning, where we make international tax simple, one concept at a time.